What's going on, guys? I'm Stokes, and welcome to my cooking show. Today I'm joined with special guest and mentor of Gordon Ramsay, Chef Stokes. What's cooking, good looking? So this is going to be my first time cooking, and he's going to teach me how to cook a proper meal. And by the way, guys, don't try this at home. We're highly qualified professionals, and we're trained. So, Chef Stokes, are you going to be able to teach me how to cook the basics? Of course, that's what I'm here for, right? Alright, let's get cooking then. Yeah, first thing we need is some pots and pans. So, you know, I couldn't help but notice, I just feel like we're missing something. Oil. You never want to forget oil, otherwise the pan will get very sticky. So right now we're just going to cook a very simple breakfast meal, some eggs, some, some good protein in there. What are you doing? So step one, now that the pan is obviously well greased and oiled, you want to open up the carton of eggs and break it. All right. Basically, you just break it and yeah. Okay. That's all you gotta do. You're cleaning that up. Alright, so let's do it again and crack it properly this time. You want to use the edge of it, alright? Shake the egg up first and crack it using this edge of it and break it like this. Right? There we go. Alright. Alright, so let's get a few more in there so you get the hang of it. Alright, so got two more. So I'm gonna guess you put the settings on medium. How does this work? Like this?
Oh, hell no!
Yeah, just a couple more seconds before it's done. Yeah, just go ahead and plate it. So, done cooking the eggs, beautifully plated as well. What do you think? I think it's a beautiful job. You did great. So what do we have here? Mixed vegetables, carrots, greens, beans, potatoes.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
What? Potatoes? I don't want that. So right now we're going to be cooking the chicken. And now what you want to do is you want to turn it up all the way up to medium fire. All right, go ahead and get the meat out. It's raw. I don't touch it. I'm not touching it either. Oh. So yeah, now we just season the chicken. All right. What are you doing? All right, flip it around. Flip the chicken around or pan around? The chicken. Oh. All right. Right. So the chicken's ready. Alright. Ready to be plated? Yeah. So far, presentation-wise, I'd have to give it a 9 out of 10. Burnt, but now here comes the taste test. All right. It's terrible. It's terrible. Yes. What are you talking about? Yeah, it's actually got no. It's bad. You didn't like it? Why don't you eat cereal? You made me cook all of this and waste my time and energy. You didn't even help. You eat the cereal. Suit yourself. I'm not eating cereal. I'm not eating cereal. You eat cereal. You know what? I'm leaving. All right. He can suit himself. that's gonna be it for this week's video, guys. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you didn't, be sure to like the video anyway. I'll see you guys next week. You know how to cook! You don't know how to cook!